You all know since March 22nd onwards, we had a one-day curfew. Then after that, 25th, the lockdown has been extended. Still, we are under lockdown. So the biggest challenge for the today industry is, the employers' salary, then the government statutory payments. India probably the highest tax-paying country in the world, if I'm not wrong. So we have a lot of tax-paying issues. You all know India has a lot of migrant laborers. People travel from couple of thousands, maybe 1,500, 2,000, 3,000 kilometers far from their places and come to work here. So now those labor has moved back to their own places. So now this is the biggest challenge to us to bring back those laborers after the post COVID. If we want to replace those labor, it is very difficult. We have less labor, then more companies would be looking into fulfill their requirement. So these are the 3-4 things very crucial. And secondary, after COVID exit lockdown, the biggest challenge in our industry, print manufacturing or print industry or any other segment in print industry, maintaining social distance. That is the biggest challenge what we are facing now. So we are trying to educate our members and also industry how to be social distance, how to be maintained hygienic way to not to touch again COVID post lockdown situation. We are trying our level best. In fact, last, if you remember, when I visited Italy for your show, I learned few things from your association about the federation. You have a paper, you have everything. So we have been started before that. Also, we had an intention to start a federation of entire graphic art industry in the country. Last 3 years, we've been working a lot of things on that. So this COVID has made us entire united. So we have had a meeting on March month, April 13th, with 13 different association presidents from different segments, right from label, corrugation, screen printing, offset printing machine, offset printers and printing machine manufacturers like us, then hologram manufacturers, barcode manufacturers. All we have together 13 associations. We are discussing from couple of years creating a federation. So post this COVID, now we have represented to the government of India what exactly we want support from the government of India and other government bodies to put on our economy onto the track. So we had already represented government of India with a 13 association. That was the one of the biggest step we have taken. And secondly, from our own association, IPAMA angle, we are still discussing with our board people how we can help to our own members. I'm very optimistic in any situations like this. We have already faced a couple of things about few years back. Also, when we had a GST, when we had a demonetization in India, the 1,000 and 2,000 rupees notes have been 500 and 1,000 has been demonetized. So we are always optimistic. What I feel is industry, okay, as a capital machine manufacturers, we may see a few months little slowdown, but maybe 3-4 months after pandemic is normalized, we can see a big drastic change in the industry, because in India, packaging segment is growing very fast. So probably our members will also look into those segments where they are not into actively participating to promote their products. Probably they will do it. So as I said earlier, I'm optimistic, and we will come back to normalcy maybe 3 to 4 months from the time. Definitely, there will be a damage, but not all the segments. Maybe if we talk about packaging segment, I don't think so. Any damage. Packaging segment will increase. So if you see our numbers in packaging, till last year we had only 19% we have reached where the developed nations have reached. So we had about 79%, 81% gap in between from growing to next level. So those segment will definitely go in a very good mode, but only the worry is a commercial segment. Yes, definitely there will be a commercial segment will be badly affected across the globe, not only in India, across the globe. Uh, Probably what the commercial printers has to look into is maybe they may have to venture into packaging side or corrugation side or label side. So definitely they have to take a immediate action step going into the next level, or adding with some extra value to their commercial units. Rest is like label and packaging. Definitely, I can see a better scope in coming days. Normally, when we talk about small and medium in our India, especially, probably it is a news for entire globe. Small and medium people never expect anything from government. Basically, never and ever. In our country, the entrepreneurs, small and medium, are self-made. They never had a chance to get any support from government of India or government of our own provinces. But this is a different situation, because government is now pressurizing all the entrepreneurs to pay 100% salaries, but they are not giving any support to us. So now this is a totally a different situation. Yes, now at this point of time, this point of gesture, we all entrepreneurs, whether it is a small or medium, we need the government to be interfere into our shoes. They have to enter into our shoes and they have to think. Then only we can come back faster. If government will not support us, our individually we have to create the damage, the recovery plan would be double the time. Yeah, why I would like to tell you from my own side. I have been into this industry last 1995 onwards, around 25 years. So out of this 25 years, I have never spent my time in my family. So many days, almost till now, today, almost till 48 days. I have never stayed 48 days continuously in my house, and I have never spent my life with my family, my kids, my mother, father. So this pandemic has learned so many things, so many things. If we see in India, as usually, normally, not only in India, maybe UK, US, lot of Indian community people are serving food to the needy people. So this pandemic has created a collaboration ness into the citizens of the countries and the global wise. And if you see, we have supplied medicines to Italy and US and London and everywhere. Probably China has supplied some medical assistance to entire globe. So the pandemic has showed the collaboration. Maybe the future also, India also, there would be a lot of collaborations in our own members, probably our own industry. So maybe 10 small people may join together and make certain big products, or maybe 0.40 automation. Maybe the people may look into new navigations, new pavilions, new platforms. So this pandemic has really taught so many things, so many things. Of course, world has seen a lot of pandemics, but this generation now who has seen COVID, hopefully they have not seen this kind of scenario. Now I would say second world war has been affected only 40 or 42 countries, but today this pandemic, more than 180 plus countries has been suffering with this, and 90% of the countries and put on a still mode. So definitely there is a lot of things. Maybe what I feel is, after this pandemic, a lot of people may think into recycling, definitely in a serious mode. We have been discussing in global print platform many years about recycling, recycling things like that. But now the people may seriously look into this, because last 40-60 days, if you see the pollution level, water pollution, air pollution, everything, it has drastic change. So now humans are sitting at home and animals or birds are roaming on the globe. So probably, definitely, there would be a very positive modes after this COVID across the globe, probably across the globe, and we expect the best. So if we have not learned any lessons from this COVID, probably we have to face so many pandemics, maybe our near future also. Very well said. Very well said. Now, before COVID, after COVID, that is how the world address from next month onwards. So, what happened in packaging? Packaging people have never got their respect. See, when we pack any stuff, today, if you talk about this COVID situation, the personal care kits for the doctors, nurse, or cleaning staff, everything has been put in a package. Without package, nothing had could have been delivered. Now, whole world was talking about banning single plastic use. I've been addressing so many meetings. Without plastic, world cannot run. But only the thing is, we have to put that plastic in a respectable manner, recyclable manner, where I don't think so whole across the world will not put even 10 to 15% recyclable board. Rest 85% is going into the on the nature. So the packaging after this pandemic, people have really realized how important is a packaging.